How to fix Galaxy Magic 7 mobile hotspot not working. So let's start the video. First of all, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings. In settings, you can see the option mobile network. Now click on it. After clicking on mobile network, you can see the option personal hotspot. Now click on personal hotspot and here you can turn on your personal hotspot. Now turn on personal hotspot. After turning on personal hotspot, then check your internet connection will be work properly or not. After checking your internet connection, then open settings and scroll down and click on system and updates and then click on reset. On top you can see the option reset all settings. Now click on reset all settings and from here you can reset all your settings. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.